Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the ROCCAT Sense High Precision Gaming Mousepad. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a ROCCAT Sense High Precision Gaming Mousepad or mouse mat, and this one is the mid-size and it measures 400mm by 280mm by 2mm. And continuing to take a look around the box packaging. There are a list of features and specifications around the back of the box. And it's listed in several languages. And here are some of its features. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by cutting apart the sticky seal that's keeping the box flap securely sealed, and popping open that box flap to reveal the ROCCAT High Precision Gaming Mousepad. And let's slide it out, and making sure nothing else is left inside, we can set the box on the tabletop towards the right side. And just giving you a nice full clear look at the mouse pad as it is straight out of its box packaging. Now let's go ahead and remove the gaming mouse pad from its clear plastic bag wrapping. And let's unroll the mouse pad and set it across the tabletop, and just tidying up the background with the box packaging. So as you can see, this is a rectangular mouse pad and it measures 40 centimeters long on the long side and 28 centimeters deep, and measures 2 millimeters thin or thick. So this is the ROCCAT Sense High Precision Gaming Mouse Pad, and let's flip it on its back to give you a look at the rubberized backing. And now let's take a close-up look at the mouse pad or mouse mat. So as you can see, it does have a bordered stitching or stitched border or edges, and taking a close-up look at those edges. So you can see they do have quite a low profile, even though they are quite heavily stitched. And taking a look at the surface of the mouse pad, so they have a low friction treatment or coating on this cloth mouse pad. And continuing to take a look at the mouse pad right across. And in close-up detail as well, so you can see it does have a very, very fine texture. And taking a look at the back or underside of the mouse pad, it does have a nice and grippy rubberized surface. And continuing to take close-up details of this mouse pad at the various corners. So there you can see that it does have a slight shimmering effect or sheen to its upper surface. And giving you some contrast against the backing, showing you both surfaces of this mouse pad. And taking a close-up look at the left-hand side corner, you can see the ROCCAT branding with the Sense designation. And once again, taking a look around the sides, corner and back of this gaming mouse pad, and that very smooth surface. So just running my finger along the surface, you can hear how fine that texture is. And of course, giving you some sense of its suppleness. So it is quite a supple mouse pad, as you can see. And just twisting and scrunching the mouse pad up, it does hold its shape without any creasing, as you can see. And with the rubberized backing, it does provide some grip to the mouse pad, especially of course when you apply pressure downwards. It does somewhat stay in place. And once again, giving you a look at the back side, and to give you some idea of the size as well, let's flip it back up again, and I'm going to place my hand in the middle of the mouse pad to give you some sense of the size of this mid-size ROCCAT Sense high precision gaming mouse pad. Okay, so now let's do a glide test with a mouse. So over here I have a Logitech G70. Let me say that again. So over here I have a Logitech G703 LIGHTSPEED wireless gaming mouse, which I've unboxed on the channel before. And let's place it in the middle of the mouse mat to give you once again some size and perspective of this mouse pad. And I'm just going to do a glide test, just with simply gliding and moving the mouse around the mouse pad surface. And you can hear the noise that it makes, so a very soft and soothing noise. It does have a consistent and smooth glide to the surface as well, so just throwing the mouse around, giving you some sense of the nice and smooth, very fine sheen surface of this ROCCAT Sense high precision gaming mouse pad. So taking one more close-up look, but this time at the main print design. And even closer look at that upper surface of this mouse pad. So that's the ROCCAT Sense high precision gaming mouse pad. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!